a piece of material was approved in PromoMats and it's actually executed, what's the connection that makes that possible? Because I think that's truly unique.
A couple things.
Yeah.
All right. So the first thing I would say is standards. So standards, the reason I refer to those is because if I want to see content from production to execution in the field back to a dashboard, there's a couple of key steps you have to hit, and one of them is in that content authoring step. There's the creation of content that's in like a, let's say an InDesign program or something like that. The minute it goes into the channel production, you have to ensure that whatever tag you're going to use or metadata or attribute is consistent and inserted in the right place so that the dashboards or the systems can pull that information back in order to have that tracking. Once you have that in there, it becomes like the key. It unlocks the whole world. The way we've set this up through the use of a data lake, simply tracing back to the document number inside of PromoMats gives you all of the metadata you've got in PromoMats at your fingertips of what was used in the field. And it's that marriage of the two systems onto a dashboard that then gives you the insights. So you're right, it's that in-between piece. What I hear most often that is probably the biggest maybe misnomer is I hear this phrase like, we want to do some advanced tagging. Tagging is only worthwhile if a channel has the capability to accept the tag for some bit of information. So what I often do in conversations is actually try to refocus that conversation to say, are you clear on the capability that the channel has that a tag will actually help you with what you're trying to achieve? So for example, if you want to know what video somebody watched, you need that content authoring bit of information through a tag. If you want to know how long they watched the video, it's the channel capability that's going to tell you how long they watched the video. And understanding where that plays and how that comes to life is really critical for our marketeers these days as we evolve into this intelligent engagement conversation.
It's great you have a shared taxonomy across, but one of the other things that we have failed in the past is to even get the taxonomy in there, even if you had one. How are you addressing that?
So we took the opportunity when we launched PromoMats to really, in a way, start from scratch. We said, look, we're changing the way we work, and so we introduced this global taxonomy. So integrating channels or having platforms like the beauty of Veeva is that PromoMats speaks to CRM, it speaks to the approved emails, and other options through Veeva. Your marriage happens through that one content document number or whatever the common tag would be that you would use to get that information.